If you want to stay ahead of the hair game in 2026, wait till you see these trending braid styles everyone is talking about. Hello lovely people, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, you are super welcome. Today we're exploring the hottest braid hairstyles for Black women in 2026, featuring knotless braids, boho styles, and sleek cornrow designs that are taking over right now. This year is all about lightweight knotless braids for a natural, pain-free finish. Boho braids with soft coils for that effortless, carefree vibe, and creative cornrows with unique patterns that add a bold and stylish edge. Whether you love long flowing braids, cheek bobs, or styled ponytails, there is a look for every mood and occasion. Beyond the beauty, these styles are also protective, helping to reduce breakage and promote healthy hair growth. With proper care like moisturizing your scalp and wrapping your hair at night, your braids can stay fresh, neat, and beautiful for weeks. As you watch, don't miss the final styles. They are absolute favorites right now. Take your time, pick your look, and get inspired for your next hairstyle. Which style are you loving the most? Knotless, boho, or cornrows? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trending hairstyles and inspirations. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.